Yo, it's CPTV on the way to get this content.
Striking music, let my little nigga strike to it. Striking music, let my little nigga strike to it. Striking music, let my little nigga strike to it. Striking music, let my little nigga strike to it. Striking music, let my little nigga strike to it. Striking music, let my little nigga strike to it. Striking music, let my little nigga strike to it. Striking music, let my little nigga strike to it. Pull up on my ops, Hellcat Demon TRX. Back to back, somebody gon' get stressed. We tryna catch a hat. I cannot be the driver, I'm the one with choppers in the back. Switchy on my strap, you know I got the Glock, it's on my lap. Let me catch him, send him up to heaven, pop him in the hat. They want me to stop, I'm not. They call the cops, I'm coming back. Pull up in the striker, up my fully on the pussy, up my belt, give him a whoop.
These niggas got a whole fucking car show going on this bitch. What the fuck? What the fuck? This nigga. Bro.
No, wait, go back. No, go back.
Huh?
I'm gonna do a video of you rolling down the window with your camera pointed at me.
Got you.
Hold on, wait a minute.
Alright. Bro. You said pointed at me?
No, like, you gonna be pointing the camera at me. So when I give you this, I'm gonna go from here and then.
Got you. Look, this nigga. Niggas got that goddamn shit. What up with you? This nigga is bad with it. Shit's going crazy out here, bro.
Yo, bloody.
Yo.
What's up with you? Hey, can you do me a favor?
What's
Can you
up?
pop the hood?
Shit. Yeah.
I appreciate you.
Got you. Niggas is bad. Bro, ain't shit under the hood. Bro, tell these niggas ain't shit under the hood. What the fuck? Some bullshit. Some bullshit.
You gotta pop it.
Shit.
Pop that hood, slime.
What the fuck? Look. Trying to expose niggas. Bro, it ain't that.
That look just like bro joint. It don't look no different.
Look, they trying to expose niggas. That shit's bad. I ain't shit. You already know who shit this is. You already know who shit this is, my boy. What's up with you? You good? God damn. How she ride, man? She ride? She ride crazy. She ride? Bro.
Yeah, I'm ready to get rid of it. I give it like another month or two.
Okay.
Yeah, I give it like another month or two. She out there.
Shit, you gotta tell me off camera though. You gotta tell me, bro.
Oh yeah.
Tell me where we going. Cause this shit.
You know.
Okay. That's high. Bro, this a random ass event. Fuck y'all niggas. Bro, why y'all wanna see my shit? Bro, I just got off the road, bro. My shit is dirty. This nigga is this nigga. Bro, I don't got shit on it. Look, this nigga. This nigga bad. Bro, this nigga said it's cute. Oh my god.
I need some exotic shit in the inside.
Bro, y'all niggas is bad. It ain't nothing exotic on there. We know this already. Cam, no. Oh yeah, we know this. We know this. That shit's bad.
I ain't got no V8, but you ain't got no vehicle.
That shit's
I ain't got no V8, but you ain't got no vehicle.
bro. Shit. Everybody shit getting popped. Fuck it. Everybody shit getting popped. Huh?
You say you ain't got nothing to
Huh? I don't have none under the hood. I don't got nothing that you can see. Oh my God, that shit gonna be over by the time his ass get here.
Call Evan. I'm gonna tell him to bring the gang. You about to tweak out in this bitch.
Huh? I been had that for forever.
I ain't even bring my camera.
Bro, you do be boys. I told you. We been supposed to. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my. Oh yeah.
Hold on. Keep going that shit.
That nigga. That nigga got eating awesome. God damn. This nigga said, this nigga bad. That shit is bad. That shit's crazy. That shit loud, ain't it?
Hell yeah.
That shit loud as fuck. Huh?
That real?
That's that real deal.
Yeah, that's that real bitch right there. That's that real bitch. Shit. This clip at 5 minutes. Okay. Fuck. Ah. What up with you, my guy? You good?
Let's hear it.
Join that bitch. Oh, that is. That's about half a Oh my. Oh, this nigga wildin'. This nigga is wildin'. Oh! Lock it.
Don't swing your shit.
So they can goddamn arrest me.
Put your shit in the middle.
Hey, look, we want an all-wheel drive burnout, nigga. All-wheel drive.
Darn so.
All-wheel drive. Fuck it.
Get him a little turbo.
Huh? I'm on phone. I'm gonna go ahead and lower my hood. Ain't nothing else to see under here. Ain't nothing else to see.
You can.
Yeah, I know. It's okay. It's okay.
You gotta get something up in there, yo.
Huh? Oh, it's something up in there. This shit blowing this shit out the water.
What's that?
I bet you. It's the same shit I got. Oh, he burning that bitch a little bit. Oh, he burnt that bitch a little bit. Oh, my. Ooh. That nigga said, fuck me alive, I burn rubber. I burn rubber. Fuck yeah.
Yeah, dude out here had I think he had a 2023 Chrysler that had the badge in the front.
Yeah, I seen that bitch pull up. That shit the rarest bitch out here, to be honest.
No bullshit. No bullshit.
That shit's crazy.
You can't even hear the music, not gonna lie, the
Oh,
music.
I know. Bro, this shit. It's hard though. I give a James State a little bit of props for this shit. That's alright.
This bitch ass nigga Evan ain't hit me back yet. 305.
You put the hell yeah.
Them bitches.
You put the drone up in the hell yeah.
They not gonna let me. You think they gonna care?
What you asked already? Wait, I don't understand that.
Cause you gotta have a pilot license.
So if you fly that bitch like right above that tree, they gonna be on your ass about it. Shit, tell him take me out the sky. You might have to get him to take you out the sky. Fuck it. Wow.
Not enough people on campus got like. Not enough people on campus, yeah. And this nigga Ross scared to goddamn give a little turbo action. That nigga is the
Hey, Bo.
he the first to be a loudmouth by this shit racing, but don't wanna.
That shit's stupid.
I told you, hey, get the camera on me.
I want a little turbo action.
It's a dick, huh?
I want a little turbo action. Why not? I want a little turbo action. I want a little turbo action, nigga. Hey, ask the bitches they ever heard of turbo before.
Give it at least like 3 grams. If you're not feeling it, then you can get the camera on it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you turn a little bit of heads. I see some heads whip around.
Go ahead, keep going.
This nigga.
Keep going. I got this.
He said shit.
You see all these
We
charges?
slide in the night.
Hey, nobody got the Audi. There's a difference between not fitting in and standing out. You see that motherfucker right
Put on man. Nobody got the Audi, but he don't want to show it. Nobody's worried about the Audi. Cause
Bro, that nigga said don't be mean. That shit is funny. That shit popping. How it feel? How it feel?
Hey, look,
You know
man.
you're supposed to be in one of these.
The
I ain't gonna
number
hold
3
you.
promoter in the fucking DMV and I ain't even got this shit.
Got you.
God damn. Ooh.
Shit.
Nah, this shit is nice, bro. I need
Got a nnigga Zion and the cat, nigga.
Hey, this the car I should be driving, man. But look, cars got me in the chokehold on God.
Facts.
Cars got me in the
Facts.
chokehold.
It's alright. One day. We all working up. We all working up. Bro, Brenna ass got me smell like pizza and shit.
Hey, give me a picture in this thing.
This nigga is crazy. He still got the infamous ball right there, the baldy.
This nigga gonna use the mission. They doubted me and I made it.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Them niggas was doubting me and I made it out.
If I get this car, I'm be like, man, I was driving in the Jeep. That shit ain't had no wheels, but look where I'm at now. Gangsta, I got skylights.
Hate this nigga, bro.
Hell yeah.
Then he top it off with the gangster.
Watch out.
Put one leg out.
Hey, Fonzie, if I post these, I'm sorry.
That nigga said, just tag me. Just tag me. It'll be alright.
Like,
A little behind the scenes action though.
what are you doing, Zion?
Oh, I thought you wanted me to.
Yeah. That nigga gonna post them bitches on the ground for sure. For sure. That nigga got this starlight in this motherfucker. What? What? That nigga said I'm doing it.
Third in the nation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's alright. Look, niggas just going up.
Oh, bro, I'm taking them pictures, gang. I'm posting them pictures, gang.
Oh yeah.
Fuck with
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see one more. Yeah. Shit. Who?
Vontae, I want to come out here. See if he gonna. I said Vontae Evans. I've been trying. This nigga been waiting on my word for something.
Who?
Jarrett with the GT3 RS, GT4 RS.
Shit, by the time all them niggas get out here,
Yeah.
Bro, it was another standstill. What's it called? I did some Vin Diesel ass shit to get here. Cause I would have still been on the highway right now.
Bro, when I tell you traffic won't move it for me at all, bro.
Yeah, that shit was bad. I'm gonna pick this shit back up in something else more, cause these clips getting long and shit.
Nobody doing no burnouts or nothing. This shit is bad.
Hey, I need to see if they gonna trip out a burnout.
Yeah.
Coming soon, bro.
Yeah.
Coming soon, bro.
Yeah.
Stay down. Me and my nigga Cam, bro. Cam got it. I'm at the TRX.
Hey, let's do it. Let's do it.
This shit brand new.
It's an Audi world we live in. Look, everybody love them superchargers and shit. Yo. Yeah.
Hey, this shit fast as a bitch, bro.
They don't know. I let them have their fun. They don't know.
Yeah.
Nah, this shit gotta be fast as a bitch.
Kaboom boom. Why you ain't pose for the pic, my nigga? Pose for the pic, my nigga.
You know what it is,
It's an Audi world.
Look, nigga. Some other shit I can't disclose. I'm about to go get it tuned, and then that's the bitch gonna be popping.
I can sit in it?
Yeah. It's an Audi world we live in.
Hey, it's an Audi world we live in.
It's an Audi world we live in.
Hey, I just started up. I just started this bitch up.
Shit. Huh?
Where the keys at? Hold on, where the keys?
Shit. They in an undisclosed location. Bro, he said what? Oh no, he got the. Don't you got the BMW jump? Hell yeah. You be pushing that bitch on campus. He be pushing that bitch. Only push the starts out here.
Push it. There we go. Put the window down. Put the window down.
Oh, slightly.
Put it down. All right, go ahead.
Oh, my fault, man. Oh my God. Oh. Take the keys out that motherfucker. Take the keys out that motherfucker.
Hey.
Let her.
This is a silent killer.
Yeah.
This shit a silent killer. It gotta be.
Hey, I got one too. Fuck James, nigga. This one go to make the machine right. Back end.
Rebuild title.
Nigga, straight to the back end. That nigga say, hey, come on, James.
Niggas ain't no leakage. Niggas ain't no leakage.
Hey, Rock.
Bro, that's the thing with these tuned cars, man. With these tuned cars, you can't be pushing them like that. Like,
Oh, James.
yeah.
James. I got that nigga on speed dial.
That nigga,
You missed it.
yeah. Oh my God.
What other team though could put that shit on though?
Okay.
What other team could put that shit on?
Okay.
Let the fix it. Come on, I'm ready. So
Black Widow.
Let's do it. These niggas is bullshit. Yeah. Oh. This nigga stay getting right. This nigga stay getting right.
I feel like I'm going to get my religious in this car. Yeah, cuz
Hi Kia. What up, my guy? You all right? That shirt is fire, bro. That shit is fire.
What a value man this bitch.
On the bottom.
And that nigga got the speakers in that bitch.
This nigga gonna get a flick and everybody got.
No bullshit.
You trying to turn it down?
What you talking about?
Okay, little baby shirt from Paxson. These are my friend closet, so
Okay.
you know, my stylist gave me this, so you know.
Okay.
That's stock X.
Okay.
This, I don't know.
Shit, just a little accessory,
Just
you
a
know?
little
Just a little accessory.
You want fit check me?
Yeah.
Alright.
Start with the necklace.
You
With
feel
the
me?
necklace.
Nah.
The necklace.
This one right here, I got this from my coach, you feel me?
Bainy.
What that bitch say? Taco football, you see it, you know what it is. Look. This shirt, got this bitch from Marshall's, cut this bitch off. What we call this? Muscle shirt. You know what it is.
Oh, shoulder guns.
Nah. I ain't working. I don't got no pump. Them bitches ain't busting right now. Nah. Now come back though. The pants. What we got on the pants? We got some beefy bodegas on.
Ooh, beefy bodegas.
You know what it is. You feel me? Something light. You feel me? Then boom, take it back. You feel me? We got the Crocs on. You know Virginia State University. You feel me? You know we out this bitch. You know what we doing. You feel me? Now bring it this way. You talk about my necklace. Let's get my man's right. Check the drip out. Go ahead, fit check.
Ain't no fit.
Yeah.
Ain't no fit on, bro.
Yeah.
There's no fit.
Yeah.
No fit.
It is hot. I ain't gonna lie. My nigga Zion gonna owe a few niggas a car payment.
That nigga redlining everybody's shit. Gonna blow somebody in.
That nigga was redline nigga shit. Oh fuck. Oh, that nigga in the 392. That nigga in the. That nigga in it. He in that slime thing.
Don't redline the nigga's hat.
That nigga in that slime thing this time. Slime easy. Oh yeah. You like them Chargers, nigga. You like them Chargers, don't you?
Yeah, it's green.
Yeah. 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 See that? Power my SRT, my nigga. That nigga love him a Charger, I ain't gonna look, show him with the 300 miles. Bro. The 300 is like that though. Yeah. 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 Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
If I say let me rap it, I'll shut this whole shit down.
Bro.
I'll shut this whole shit down.
Nah, that's the most expensive. Oh, he right. Oh, let's go. He said we shut that bitch down. He said fuck a Charger. Fuck a Charger. He said fuck a Charger.
No more, we done. Come on, come on.
Yeah. That won't you.
That won't be. I'm walking away.
That nigga say he gonna get away from the smoke. What's up with you? You alright? nigga is crazy. That nigga's wildin'. Hey. That shit loud. That shit is loud. That's a bitch. Hey, Jalen. You gotta put on for the Sixers. You gotta put on for the Sixers, nigga.
Let me hold it.
Huh?
Let me hold the camera. You do.
We gotta put on for the Sixers.
Put on the Beamer truck, that nigga twin turbo, he make over 6.
Ooh, okay.
You ain't even put it on that.
What about them German horses?
I'm trying to figure out.
About them guys. Oh, I know exactly where it is.
Not with the price. I'm not
I
worried about
already
that.
say it. I told him lay low. You good, cuz. You good, cuz. You good.
They're gonna make me born. They've been dick riding all day, throwing dogs. Like, I'm ready to suck my dick.
It's real shit right there, man.
But he's like, that nigga not SGA. Bro, I don't know that nigga from 2 cans of paint. I don't know that nigga.
Who you talking about?
No.
Nah, Paul.
This content. It's content. Fuck.
They probably feel like it's damaging property.